If you've ever tried to purchase a put only to see it erode and lose money time and time again because you're trying to insure a stock, or you're buying puts in the sense of insurance for your portfolio, but it just doesn't work out, in many cases, buying puts is actually a losing proposition. You do lose money, and it's often a losing game. And people don't understand this concept, but there is a way that you can actually transform into buying puts in a free or cost-effective way and making it more of a, call it a benefit to you, where it doesn't cost you a ton of money in order to insure or defend your position. Now, if you don't know me, I'm Sasha, the options coach. I've been teaching people to trade options over the last 10 plus years, and I've done things from courses and classes. And one of the latest classes we did was actually on buying puts, costing them pretty much absolutely $0. Now, I want to show you a little diagram here of the risk profile picture. If you've never seen this, this is really just a way we look at managing and handling risk as far as a visual construct is concerned. But what we have here is that if we go in and buy our stock in position, at this spot, here's the price of the stock. We purchase it around $80. And if the stock goes up, we make some money. And over here's our profit. And if the stock actually goes down, we start losing money. And this is where buying a put comes into place, where if we buy that put right here, we don't lose any more money beyond that. And that's a good thing, right? But the thing is that anytime you buy a put or buy insurance, you're constantly losing money because you are paying for insurance. Really what a put is you're buying insurance. And if you think of this in terms of the real world, where you buy car insurance or health insurance, many cases, every single month that you pay for these things, you are losing money from your wallet. Yes, you get a benefit that you might get to use it at some point in the future, but 9 times out of 10, even maybe 60 months out of 61, you're still not going to get into a car accident and use that insurance. So the point here is that when we look at buying a put, many times, 50 times out of 51, you're not going to need that put depending on where you buy it. But what's interesting here about buying a put is that, in fact, in the market, we actually can offset that cost. In the real world, the way that we do this is, let's say you buy a car insurance, okay? And this car insurance costs you $200 a month. Now, this $200 a month cost, you offset it by maybe having a job, and then you have money that comes in from this job, and then you go in and you pay the car insurance off. Okay, that works well. Now, in the stock market world, we can actually do a very similar construct. We can go in and sell a call against it, against our put, in order to pay off this put and limit the theta decay problem. This allows us to finance the cost rather than money coming out of our direct pocket. It allows the money to come out of the market itself. Now, let me show you what I'm talking about and how you can actually do this. By the way, if you're interested in the classes here that we do, just reach out on our website, optionsblackbelt.com. We've got a ton of other classes here that we do. But within this class, what we talked about in the past was, let's say we have this IBM position, and just pull this up. This is just a trade example. And when we have this IBM position, we are currently right now profiting about $1,676. And let's say I wanted to purchase a put. That put is going to cost me money. So if I go about 35 days out and I look to purchase a put because I've bought this stock at 225, well, I don't want to go lower below 225. So let's say I want to buy insurance right here at 220. So that cost of that put is $425. So it's 4.25 times 100 shares. So one contract controls 100 shares. So it's going to cost me $425. You can see it right there, $425. So I will go in and do that position. Bam, there it is. Now I have limited my downside risk, which is what we've talked about kind of before. There's that limit. And now the most I can lose is $865 at expiration. So even if the stock goes down to $170, the most I can lose is $865. Okay. Now the problem is, if I didn't have that put, I'd be down $5,400. So this is where that put becomes very nice. Now the downside and the problem with this is, it costs me money. It cost me $365. So if you want to offset that cost, what you could do is we could go in and sell the call against it. Okay, so we paid for the put $365. I could go in and sell something for $350, a call in this case, against that put. And yes, that will force me to sell the stock at a higher price. But there's a huge advantage to this. When you sell a call against that position, because right now I've got a negative theta, But when I start selling this call right here, now it transforms to a neutralized theta. That theta now gets neutralized. And that means as the stock stands still, I actually don't lose money on that put itself. And I'm still looking for an upward motion in the stock, an upward movement. It's just I'm not looking for a huge up movement like, like a normal stock position. I'm not looking for explosive growth. I am looking for growth, but I'm not looking for explosive growth. So I'm willing to give up the upside in order to get insurance on the downside. And that's really the huge benefit behind this. So I hope you see this huge benefit within the theta. And this is where a lot of people go wrong with buying puts, why a lot of people lose money, because it's just the natural tendency of puts is you're constantly going to lose money on the puts. And if you're able to structure these constructs known as, in this case, this is a collar strategy, but there's other things behind it, then you're actually able to go in and save a lot of money on puts. Anyways, this is exactly what we covered here in one of our latest class, zero cost put buying strategy. Just let me know if you're interested to get some more information on this. Send me a note, message, whatever you like on one of the social media platforms. I'll be happy to connect you and much more because we got a lot of other classes that we do every single month. Anyways, thanks for joining me. Truly appreciate. I will see you in the next video. Take care.